Hello everyone, and welcome once again to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to multiply surds which involve brackets, that is surds that are encompassed, enclosed in brackets. Now, when multiplying surds in brackets, use the ordinary algebraic method. Now, it says when multiplying surds that involve brackets, you use the already well-known algebraic method, and you can see an example of the algebraic method right here. This is the algebraic method right here. You can see here we have an expression here which is a plus b in bracket. We now have another expression c plus d in another bracket, and we're asked to multiply what we have in this bracket with what we have in this bracket. So what we usually do is that you take one of the expression here, one of the letters here in the first bracket, and you multiply everything in the second bracket. Then you now take the second letter in the first bracket and you repeat it and multiply everything in the second bracket. So when you say A times C plus D, it's going to give you AC plus AD. When you say B times C plus D, it's going to give you plus BC plus BD. So that is how you multiply algebras involving brackets, and it's the same way you also multiply surds involving brackets. But one thing you need to note is that you need to take very good attention of the signs, that is the negative and the positive signs, because when you're multiplying a particular surd or a particular letter by with what is in another bracket, the signs are very, very important. You need to know when to carry the signs and when to make use of the signs, and how to multiply with the signs. So let's go to our examples. On the board we have two examples, and it says simplify the following. The first one is 3 root 5 plus 2 in one bracket, multiply root 5 plus 3 in another bracket. And then the second we have 2 root 2 plus root 5 raised to the power 2. So let's go. So we're going to use the algebraic method to simplify this surd in brackets. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this first surd, 3 root 5, and multiply everything here. Then I'm going to take plus 2 and also multiply everything here. So it's going to be something like this. 3 root 5 times root 5 plus 3 in brackets. So I'm going to say, now I'm going to say plus 2. Plus 2. If it was minus here, I would say minus 2, but since it is plus, I'll now say plus 2. Multiply everything here, which is in the second bracket, root 5. Root 5 plus 3. Okay, so now I said 3 root 5 times everything here. 3 root 5 times root 5 is going to give me 3, and this time just to give you 5. So that is 3 times 5. I'm sure we understand how to multiply surds now. So 3 root 5 will give you 3 times 5. Now 3 root 5 times plus 3 will now give me plus what? 9 root 5. Okay, so I'm done with this first one. Let me go to the next one. So plus 2 root 5 will give me what? Plus 2 times root 5 will give me plus 2 root 5. While plus 2 times plus 6 will give me plus 3 will give me plus 6. Okay, so now let's go here. 3 times 5 will give me 15, plus 9 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 6. So what do now is I collect like terms. I look at the expression that I have before me and I say which one are common terms or like terms. Are common terms, yes. I collect common terms. So which of them are common terms? Like now for here, 15 and 6 are whole numbers, while 9 root 5 and 2 root 5 are what? They are like surds. So what I do, I now sum up the like sums, and then I also sum up the whole numbers. I now have something like 15 plus 6 plus 9 root 5 plus 2 root 5. 15 plus 6 is what? 21. Then 9 root 5 plus 2 root 5 will be plus 11 root 5. Okay, so now that will now be our final answer. Okay, so when you're multiplying surds involving brackets, just apply the what? Algebraic what? Method. Now let's quickly go to the second example, and it says 2 root 2 rather, plus root 5 all raised to the power 2. Now we all know that when we have a square outside a bracket, it means we're going to multiply everything inside that bracket by itself. So everything inside this bracket will multiply itself, okay? Because we have a square root here. So it will now be 2 root 2 plus root 5 times 2 root 2 in another bracket plus root 5. So that's what this expression means. It means you multiply this by itself again. So now, of course, we'll do the same thing we did here. We now say 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 plus root 5. We'll now say plus root 5 times what? Everything here, which is 2 root 2 plus root 5. So 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 will give me 4 times 2. 2 root 2 times plus 5 will give me plus what? 2 root 10. Okay? I'm sure people understand this multiplication of surds. If you don't understand, please, I have a video on that to help you to understand it better if you go ahead and watch that video. Now, next thing is plus root 5 times 2 root 2. Plus 5 times 2 root 2 will give me 2 root 10. Then plus 5 times plus root 5 times plus root 5 will give me what? Plus 5. So this will now be 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 root 10, plus 2 root 10, plus 5. So what I do, I collect common terms here. This is whole number, and this is like terms. And I say 8 plus 5 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 10. That will now be 8 plus 5 is what? 13. Plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 10 will be what? 4 root 10. And that would be the final answer. So it's very, very straightforward. Multiplication of surds involving brackets is simply, all you have to do is what? Apply the what? The algebraic method in expanding brackets, when you're multiplying brackets rather. So when you do that, it will be very, very easy for you to solve questions involving multiplication of surds involving brackets. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please go to the comment section, drop your questions. But this video has been very helpful. Why don't you go ahead and give it a like and thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop my videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.